Technology is best when it becomes a part of everyday life, when its functions meet our demand, when it brings people all together. Let's hear a story of what Chongqing enterprises have to say about their tech applications beyond the human imagination.
As consumers around the world prefer new energy products, we're also planning to introduce related products to the global market at the right time. As the new energy market grows rapidly, we must keep up with product launches and meet customers' demands. Therefore, in the next few years, we will launch 1 to 2 new products every year. In addition to its appearance, we believe its configuration smart level and electrification technology will lead the industry. Green development has become an important trend, and many countries take the development of green industries as a measure to promote economic restructuring. Taking the 1011 production line as an example, through the transformation of the line, we have built 3 sections of smart production line: smart logistics and smart control, creating the individuality and flexible production capacity of the entire production line. In terms of efficiency, the per capita efficiency has increased by 2.2 times. The automotive error prevention and correction capabilities have increased by 10.6 times. The automation rate of operation has increased by 10 times.
As you can see that the smart factory automation is actually this revolutionary automation, and this robotic arm is actually gripping the motorcycle parts, which actually realizes the high-tech manufacturing process.
Promoting the smart manufacturing of the automobile and motorcycle industry and strengthening the human-machine association of laborers are only one aspect of the green change of this industrial city, Chongqing.
先说拆板到我们的移载，再到我们的分板，基本上实现了无人化。Our Chongqing factory finished the construction. We starting from the lean automation and the digital transformation. In Chongqing factory, we built a very large smart warehouse which can support our peak volume every month. On production line, we set up a smart production line which covers the SMT, assemble and testing and the packing procedure. All the equipment on that line has been connected into our SCADA platform, which is our IoT platform. Based on the industry change and the national request for the ESG, like the carbon dioxide emission and the carbon dioxide neutrality, we try to protect our process. We try to make our product and the material more reuse, recycle, and more degradable to get the higher the carbon dioxide emissions.
Intellectualization and digitization are the inevitable trends in the development of the electronic technology industry. Green and sustainable development is also the only way for the development of the electronic technology industry. We are a company that designs, produces, and sells pressure chips and sensors. At present, our company's equipment can produce 3,000 chips per year. Now our company has completed the design and trial production of 41 types of pressure chips in 4 series. During the production process, our entire factory requires high level of intelligence. In terms of production technology, for example, the environmental requirements are quite strict, with cleanliness requirements ranging from 10,000 to 100 degrees, and constant humidity and temperature requirements. All these need to be controlled by an intelligent environmental system.
The application of new energy-saving building materials is of great significance to the construction of a green and low-carbon city. For example, how can Chongqing turn waste into treasure?
Every household, they will produce municipal solid waste during their daily life, but maybe they never think what's the treatment for the waste. Waste energy refers to that after this high temperature combustion treatment of the municipal solid waste, then the waste heat generated will be produced into power generation. And then the waste heat, the flue gas, and the bottom ash generated will be treated harmoniously. In the last years, Chongqing has invested in 15 waste energy plants, and it helps the city to have the treatment of the municipal solid waste in a way of the harmlessness, reduction, and recycling.
Since 2017, we have been working on smart street lights, integrating multifunctional devices and sensing systems with them. We also developed an algorithm for collective management. Firstly, we equipped it with a small 5G base station. It has a camera monitoring which records all kinds of violations on the streets. We can have traffic lights carried on it, and an air monitoring of PM 2.5 and other pollutants. Video advertisement and interpretation devices can also be used for publicity and broadcasting. Next, our factory will be upgraded with a digital plant. In terms of product positioning, we remain committed to green development. We believe that this plan will increase our market share, which will benefit our enterprise.
A sustainable society will only function if it can rely on its technological systems. The new exploration of developing green and smart city in China, like Chongqing, will never stop its pace.